Yo guys, what's going on? My name is Josh and welcome back to a new video where today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make over $300 per day starting your first day through Clickbank and some free Google Ads credit. So yeah guys, you probably clicked on this video because you've set up a Clickbank account. You're doing alright, maybe you're doing a couple of sales, maybe doing your bits of Instagram, maybe Facebook groups, whatever it might be. Either way, you would like some more sales. This obviously isn't a bad thing. Obviously if you're doing terribly, your goal is to get more sales. If you're doing excellent, your goal is still to get more sales. This goes for everyone. So yeah guys, if you don't already know what Google Ads are, if you've got experience with Facebook ads, it's very similar. What I'm going to be teaching you guys in today's video is how to take advantage of YouTube ads. Now this is an off branch of Google ads, and in my opinion it's one of the most effective means of getting Clickbank sales. So without further ado, I think we should hop onto the computer and we'll get straight into it. Let's do it, boys. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm on my computer here. I'm just going to start off by opening Clickbank. I'm just going to log in here, that random email again. So yeah, you just want to go over to the affiliate marketplace, and as you can see I'm on this page now. Now for this video, and what I would advise you do, is use e-business and marketing. Reason being, there is more people who are interested in the niche in this way that I'm about to show you guys. Now before I get into anything else, I just want to stop and tell you guys something that I haven't really talked about much in other videos, which definitely may help you maximize incomes. Now what I'm talking about is sticking to more high ticket offers. Now what I mean by this is products that are worth more. So as opposed to trying to sell lots of cheap products, it's more or less sticking to bigger ones. Stuff over the $50 range, stuff that are more expensive. A lot of people would think, oh, it's more expensive, it probably won't sell as much. But this is completely incorrect actually. From my personal opinion, I'd say there's about a 60% chance that you're going to sell a higher ticket offer as opposed to a lower one. So that's definitely one thing that I'd stick to. Just find things that pay more, and just once again, things that are going to maximize your incomes. So yeah, you just want to obviously find one with good gravity. So as you can see, this one, 275, just check out the little affiliate page here. Now what you guys are going to want to look for in these is videos. Now if you just look through a bunch of these pages, a lot of them will have videos on. And not only will they have videos on, they've got actual files, they'll have drive links, just all sorts. So as you can see, some of these do, some of these don't, but it's completely up to you just to go out and have a little look. For time's sake, I'm not going to sit through, look for loads of videos, download videos, upload videos. I'm just going to use this video. Why not? What you want to do next is just search youtube.com/ads. Now as you can see here, this is YouTube's main ads page. So what you want to do is just click start now. Now yes, Google Ads comes into this and things do get complicating, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to click to keep it as less complicated and just as easy and efficient as possible. So yeah, just want to click get started. You obviously just want to log in with your email. Now as you can see, after you've logged in, it's going to say this: let's create your video ad, your YouTube video. From here, what you guys are going to do is paste in that link that we copied before. Once again, in my case, it's just a YouTube video that I've uploaded, but for yours, it's either going to be one of these affiliate program videos or one of your own videos about one of these links. And yes, you can use Google Ads just to promote links straight, but I find that doing it for a YouTube video is just much more elaborative. And I can assure you guys, you're going to get a lot more sales and a lot more clicks this way. Now this is the part where a lot of people click the wrong option, and I'm going to show you guys why. Now a lot of people are going to click this, automatically play before, during, or after other YouTube videos. Someone clicks on a video, this is going to start playing, they see a couple seconds of your ad, you get an extra view, everyone's laughing. But no, actually, what you want to do is you want to click on placed as thumbnail next to related videos. This is going to place your video within the recommended list at the top with the little ad button. Put it this way, if you're playing the ad on top of videos, it's going to have to be very coincidental that you find someone that is in that niche. In most cases, this is going to be completely irrelevant to their interests. You're literally just forcing the ad on them. You're getting a free view, but no one's really interacting. So yeah, you just want to click this one, and you know that people who click on it have clicked on it because they've seen the title, they've seen the thumbnail, and they've wanted to find out what's in the video. They want to find out what the information is, and they want to learn. And thus from the first click, you've got the audience's 100% attention. Down here, it's just going to say edit description line 1 and 2. I make this something very broad, similar to what I do in like a tag or a hashtag. So for this one, how to make 200 a day using Clickbank affiliate marketing, I would usually be like how to make money online. But obviously for the affiliate links, you'd be like maybe powerful ebook course. Once again, you get 35 characters. This isn't the most important thing here. And then here you maybe want to type in make money online. Once again, this does vary on what the thing is. So yeah, once you've done this, if you want to look at desktop, as you can see, that's what it's going to look like. You just want to click next. As you can see, it's going to do a bit of loading, and then it's going to pop up with this. Now this is where things get actually very exciting. This is where it's completely up to you to experiment, right? So as you can see, it says next, choose the locations and languages of your customers. And under here is the best part, estimated weekly performance, 130,000 to 260, 3.5 to 6.1k, and then you've got the cost per view. So this is how much you're going to pay people per view. But yeah, so what I would like to do for most of the ebook related ones, I would usually add United States, and sometimes it'll go up, sometimes it'll go down. So as you can see, in that case it went down, so I'd remove it. But 9 times out of 10 you will add this, and it might go up to like 300,000 impressions. It's completely up to you to experiment. Just want to click next, and as you can see, you're just gonna have gender, age, parental status. Obviously this does vary on the product/service that you're trying to promote, but for me, I just click these 3 checked. I uncheck anything after 35 to 44. Parental status, I just take all 3 because this honestly doesn't really matter. Look how high these stats are getting. You just want to click next, and as you can see, this is going to pop up. Now Now, a lot of people once again will do the wrong option here, but what you guys want to do is click keep interest as broad as possible. Obviously, yes, you can do this if you like, but I find in most cases this has got me a lot less views and a lot lower of a click-through rate. You just want to click next, and essentially this is where things get even more exciting. So this is where you get your daily budget. Now, a lot of people will just read this and see daily and think, oh, that's how much you get daily. Just make sure you pay attention here to the word weekly. This is weekly information. So yeah, what I like to do is I'll set it as 25 in most cases, and as you can see, £25 a day is going to bring us up to 580,000 impressions. Bump that up a bit more if you're already making a bit of an income. 100 a day for a week is going to get you up to 2.2 million impressions, 790,000 plus impressions. That is absolutely outstanding. Look how many views that is. So if we just go back down to 25, just click next. As you can see, it's just going to pop up. We've got all the information here. Once again, if there's any edits or anything you need to do, you can do that here. Just click next, and as you can see, it's just going to ask for your payment information, and this third one down is going to say introductory offer. Now what you want to do at this point is click new tab and search Google Ads free credit. There are many sources that offer free Google Ads credit, but for this video we just want to click the actual Google site. Now as you can see, this is one of the ones that I prefer to use. Another one that I really do like to get my hands on is spend 25 get £75 free. This means that for just £25 you're going to get £100 worth of credit, but for this deal anything you spend up to £120 will be doubled. So what you would do is just enter your email here. You just want to do the captcha, and then as you can see here we've got Google may contact me occasionally, so obviously you just want to click this as well, and it's going to give you the offer. So as you can see, you just want to click get offer code. You just want to click start now. It's then going to send this code through to your email. Give it a good minute. This can take a couple of minutes. Just click refresh. And as you can see, I've got my Google Ads credit here. You get your code here, you just want to copy it. Back to this page, you guys know where you can enter that code if you just want to do it now. But if you want to do it later on, I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. So you just want to put in your payment method here at the bottom and just click submit. As you can see here, it says congrats, you're all done. If you just click explore your campaign, as you can see, it's all set up here. You can check the stats. It shows you the daily average, it shows you the monthly max. This is all stuff that can be edited, all stuff that you can change down the line if you like it to maybe do better, or maybe change the niche, change the target, whatever it is, you could do it all. Quickly back to the promotional code. If we just go up to settings here, go to billing and payments. If you go down to promotions here, if you click add, as you can see, you can add the code there as well. So yeah guys, at this point you've successfully set up your first Google ad campaign. Google Ads is an excellent way of getting Clickbank sales, YouTube views, whatever it may be. You can even use this to promote your Shopify dropshipping site. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out so much. Have a wonderful day and peace out.